Transform gray walls into vibrant canvases. This is the magic of Papeete Street Art. Since 2014, the ONO'U International Street Art Festival has turned the city into a living gallery, and now you can immerse yourself in this colorful world with the Papeete Street Art Tour. Starting at Rouge and Dark, you'll be greeted by the octopus sculpture of artist Bordalo II, marking the beginning of a journey through creativity and color. With 25 murals to admire, each piece tells a story, a blend of history and modernity, crafted by international talents. As you wander, your guide will share anecdotes and insights revealing the heartbeat of this urban culture phenomenon. This 1 hour and 30-minute guided walking tour includes a handy map to pinpoint each mural's location. Choose from morning or afternoon sessions to suit your schedule, but remember, transportation is on you. The tour operates daily, accommodating groups from 2 to 15 people, with children under 12 joining for free. Don't forget to pack water, a camera, comfortable attire, and a hat for an experience that's as informative as it is picturesque. And while the itinerary is subject to change, the adventure of exploring Papeete street art is a constant thrill. Book with a Tahiti at Far and Away Adventures.